This is the Wendy Studio, where we do a lot of videos with great lighting and a teleprompter, so it's pretty easy to make recordings. Now we have two robotic cars. One of them is a Raspberry Pi 5, and then one of them is on a NVIDIA Jetson Aura Nano. Here we have a hand-built drone with a Pixhawk and an NVIDIA Jetson Aura Nano, which will take instructions of how to fly. Here we have the Unitree Go 2 with an NX 16 gigabytes of RAM. Also, we have an industrial pipe example demo where we control valves and leaks. Next, we have our infamous Willow robot, which is a Unitree G1. And then we have a whole bunch of x86 computers with NVIDIA GPUs, as well as AMD Ryzen AI chips. And finally, we also have our security camera, which are autonomous with infrared and night vision.